Hey guys, what's up? So today we show you how to change your lock screen animation, your springboard animation, and your ringtone. So this does work in the iOS 12 to 12.1.2 jailbreak. You first want to open up Cydia. So once you open Cydia, you want to add a source. So the source you want to add is this one right here. I'll have it on your screen right now. Alright, so once you add the source, you just want to tap to go into it, type in all packages, and we'll go to the V section. So on the right side, you can see the alphabet. So you just tap on the V. And this is the tweak going down. It's called vWallpapers 2 iOS 11. It says it's for iOS 11, but it does work for iOS 12 jailbreak 2. And if you don't want to go inside the source to install it, just go to search on the bottom and just search up vWallpapers. And Wallpapers 2 iOS 11. This is the one you guys want to install. So you want to install it, and your device will respring. And you show this app on your screen. So you want to tap to open up the app, and then you go to global settings, and you have icon transparency. You have your video ringtone, and you have your lock screen auto lock timer. And then when you go down to manage current theme, you would also have your lock screen video, your springboard video, and your springboard video mask, and your springboard magic fingers. So I just did like a lock screen video. You basically would just change it, and then your device will reboot or respring, and then when your device comes back on, you will have the animation. So we go to settings, and we go to download more videos, and we can choose from all these three repositories. So I'm going to choose the first one, doesn't really matter. And then there's different videos you can install. There's tons of them. So you have 3 sources too, so there's a lot of videos you can install. And then basically when your device reboots, when you select one, so when you turn your device off and your device reboots, you just tap when your device comes back on, you see you have the animation. So that is my animation right there. I just want to let you guys know it does take a little more battery because it's it's a live animation. So to turn one on, you just open up the app, go to manage current theme. Any of these, I'm gonna go to the lock screen video, settings, download more videos, source, and then let's say I like the nights one, I'm on that. And then it's going to be download the video. Downloads the video. We go back again, and then you see the nights are down there. You want to just tap on it, and then now when tap on this, tap on again, you see now we have the night video animation. It might randomly respring. It's totally normal. Just unlock your device and continue to use it. So my device actually respring when I turn it off. Like a couple of seconds after, and then actually took off the animation. Works by doing that. So we're going to try another one. This one right here. Tap on it. Download video. Okay, after it downloads, you want to go back, and then you want to do this. The Iron Man one we just downloaded, so you want to tap on it, and that's how it's going to look. Tap the video, tap it again, and there we go. So your device resprings, it will come back up, and you will have the animation just like that. Pretty cool. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you next one, and peace.